Hey guys, welcome back. This is a short video. I'm just showing some specific things about gel coat that you might not be aware of.
Hey, when this focuses, you'll be able to see the pores in the gel coat. Now, this throws people off, especially car detailers, because they're looking for a reflection that is a little cleaner, kind of like that. But when you get into gel coat, especially dark gel coat, that has a worse reaction to the sun than, say, the white, these pores are always there. And you can't, come on, focus, buddy. There you go. You cannot compound this hard enough to get rid of those. And if you do, you're probably going to touch primer. So if you're looking at your reflection and you see these little specks, don't think to yourself you can go harder, or do, but don't try to do too much more, because you're eventually going to go through the gel coat. So if you get a shine like that, stop, lock it in with a good polish, and move on. Cool? Sorry about the shakiness.
So yeah, all the work that I do, all the work that you can do, you can get it looking good, but you can't always get it perfect. Don't try.